Carnarvon. It's a trip that I've been meaning to do for a while now. With quite a bit to see and do along the way, it should be a fantastic journey. But unfortunately, the entire eastern side of Australia is currently being affected by wild weather caused by La Nina. Will we get the journey we hoped for, or will it all be cut short by the weather? Let's get four wheels on the road and find out. Well, good morning. So because I really didn't get much sleep last night, and unfortunately a couple of birds woke me up at about 3:30, decided to just get on the road and get some of the Ks done. While it's semi-fine now, it's not going to stay that way for very long. Apparently it's going to be raining again all day today. So I just decided to get on the road and get some Ks done. I was going to stop at Expedition State Forest today, but again, it's going to be another one of those ones where I'm just going to have to say no, because I don't want to be going there in the rain. And I'd rather just get to Carnarvon, hope and hold out for the weather to be okay there. If it's not, we'll just have to get as much done as we can there, and at least I'll have an extra couple of days there if I need it to wait for the weather, and hope the weather clears up while I'm out there. I'll have some extra time to do so. So we've just stopped in here at Banana. I just pulled past across the road from the Puma and saw there was a Liquor Legends, and it looked like it was open, and I thought, oh, that's a bit strange. So I pulled in to have a closer look, and apparently it's a coffee shop. The bottle shop part isn't open, but the coffee shop part is. So stopped and got a hot chocolate, which is great. We're going to get back on the road now and head off to Rolleston. Probably stop and stretch our legs there, and then head on down to the Big Four at Carnarvon. All in all today, I think it's going to be about a 3.5 hours driving day. And I think I'll try and get the most of that done that I can done this morning, and then we'll see what the weather's going to pan out like when we get to Carnarvon. All right, well, we'll see you in a bit. So we're out of Moura now. Only done about 60k this morning, and it's just before 6 o'clock already, and already the clouds are starting to roll in. So I'm glad I got the drone up here in Moura to get one shot of the sunrise, thank goodness, before the clouds come in and it all starts getting rainy. I'm looking over to the west of me now, and it's nothing but rain, unfortunately. So I'm just going to enjoy the little bit of sun while I got it, and enjoy this drive out from Moura towards Carnarvon. Alright, well, here we are in Rolleston. We're just going to stop here for about half an hour, stretch the legs. It looks like a miracle has happened and the weather is playing the game for once. Over the last few days we really haven't had the best of luck, but we'll hope that it holds out. By the time we get to Carnarvon, hopefully it's still looking good by the time we get down there, and we can go for a few walks today and enjoy a couple of days down there with some sun. That'd be fantastic. All right, we'll see you back on the road. Well, we're in the area. Fascinating landscape here in the gorge. Sort of forest going into rainforest almost, which is really quite strange, considering there's all these sheer rock faces everywhere. You see kind of palm trees and ferns and whatnot out there. Really interesting. So as I mentioned before, I have little to no idea where we are out here and what I'm doing and where all of the walking trails are and any of that. I've got bugger all idea. But that's the way I like it. Finally we're back in a 3G service zone, so I think that gives me the answer to the question of if the Big Four has mobile phone coverage. So that'll be good. Check messages and whatnot. Fantastic looking place here. Really cool. going to wrap things up for us this afternoon. We're going to head on into the Big Four now and get settled in. We'll stop quickly here and grab some lunch and then head off this afternoon. I think we'll take a look at the waterhole that's actually close by here. Taken a look at bombs since I've actually arrived here, and it seems unfortunately that the weather is going to be coming in this afternoon as I predicted. And taking a look at the long-term weather forecast as well, it's going to be raining and not too good for the next 4 to 5 days. So that actually may stop us from staying here as I had originally intended for a few days. So I think we may only just get a good couple of hours in tomorrow morning for some walks, but we'll see how it looks in the morning.